Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Norma here, and today I'm going to show you how I made this yummy fluffy vanilla cake for my son's birthday. Yes, I'm not a baker, but I decided to bake my son's birthday cake, and I think I'm really proud of myself because I did so well. For this particular birthday, I insisted I was going to make the birthday cake myself, and I don't even know where I got the recipe from. At the point, I was beginning to doubt myself because, like I said before, I've never made a cake, but somehow I said, you know what, just do it. You can do it, just give it a try, right? And this is me. And seriously, I was so proud of myself because I didn't just make this, I also made a red velvet and also made a chocolate cake, and they all came out nice. And I'll be posting them subsequently on my channel here. So you should help me hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you get notified once I post them. Also help me to like and share this video and also leave a comment. I mean, just comment anything, encourage me because I don't know, I just need that encouragement so much right now. So let's get right into it. I'll be leaving the detailed recipe and all the ingredients I used in the description box, so please do check that out. But the first thing I did initially was to prepare my buttermilk by adding vinegar into the milk, and yeah, I whisked my margarine with sugar, and now I am sieving out the dry ingredients, which include flour, baking powder, and salt. Yes, that's just the three of them here. Then the next step is just to whisk your eggs with your already whisked margarine and sugar batter, and just whisk everything up. You need to give it the good whisk till it's really light and fluffy, and you do this gradually. There is no washing a cake. So I'm also happy to be sharing this here because I'm learning how to bake off YouTube. So it would be a nice thing to also share the process with you guys, which is exactly what I'm doing. So tell me what you think, and have you ever tried baking? Would you like to give it a try? If you are new here, just leave a comment for me like I said before. So I gave that a good whisk to make sure everything was well incorporated. The egg and the margarine has mixed up really well. And the next thing is to bring in the dry ingredients. As you can see in the video right now, I'm mixing the dried ingredients together with the margarine and the buttermilk just to loosen up the texture so it won't be too thick. But you have to do this gradually. I don't know why I was stirring anti-clockwise. I think I was a little tense while making this video because I filmed this cake at night, but you're supposed to turn this in one direction, not um anti-clockwise or clockwise. Like if you are doing anti-clockwise, stick anti-clockwise, and if you are doing clockwise, you stick clockwise. Just stick to one direction, right? That's just what I was trying to say. The next step is to add your flavor. I use vanilla flavor, and then butter your I use the 9 inches pan for this. Yes, butter your pan and use some flour on this. But I have one question. I would also like to know the standard measurements to put in baking pans because that's what difficulties I faced. But the cake came out really nice. You put that in the oven, and voila, look at a sweet yummy cake.